Here's how to use a PS5 controller on your Samsung phone. Let's get into the method. There are two ways to connect the controller. We can start with the method for the wired connection, which is very simple. Use the USB-C to USB-C cable that came with your PlayStation 5 to connect the controller to the phone. If you don't have that cable, any USB-C to USB-C cable should work. Once connected, the controller should work straight away and you can navigate the screen using it. To use the controller wirelessly, first check that Bluetooth is turned on your Samsung phone. You can do this from the quick access panel, swipe down from the top of the screen twice to get here, and turn on the Bluetooth button. You can also turn it on in the Settings app, open the settings and then choose Connections. Then Bluetooth, and check it's turned on. Once Bluetooth is on, switch your attention to the controller, check it has got enough battery charge, and then hold the Create button and the PlayStation button for a few seconds. The Create button is the one in the top left to the right of the D-pad. The controller light should start flashing to indicate it's in pairing mode, and then it should appear on the list of available devices on your phone. Tap on it here to connect. It should be called DualSense Wireless Controller. If it doesn't show up, try pairing it again and tap on Scan on your phone at the top of the page. After tapping on it, it should start to connect, and you will need to tap on Pair in the message that pops up to confirm this. You should now see the controller on the list of paired devices, and now you need to tap on the cog or gear icon next to it. Check that it's set to Input Device here. This is also where you can disconnect or unpair the device in the future. You can now try navigating the screen with the controller, and this will confirm that it's connected and working. If the controller powers off, press the PlayStation button to reconnect. Remember that for it to work in apps or games, they need to support the use of controllers. You can also check in each app's settings to see if there's any customization options for the controls. That's how to use a PS5 controller on your Samsung phone. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.